Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I got lipstick because I want the lipstick, so I'm gonna erase this because I selfie in 1 minute ago. Then I'll erase this because my brother will be mad. So let me use my finger, this mommy finger. Oh, it's bleeding. Oh, I'm just joking. Cannot use it. Oh my gosh! Look at that. Tree. Just gonna just I cannot do something. Gosh, guys, I heavy. Nood po kasi ako ng Pepito Manalo. Do you want to see, guys? Just kidding. Let me just watch. Where can I put this cell phone? Oh, I did that. So, only that my video. So, if you like it, please get some thumbs up, big thumbs up, and then subscribe my channel. See you guys later. Bye.